This is a better example of this radical interceptor or a destroyer. See, this is the reason it's so hard to get missiles to hypersonic is because most fuel is used on the upward path. So the rocket loses most of its fuel and momentum as it's working its way up. So this is how you fix that. Because you want the missile to go. See, that's why I said you need a two-phased missile system to build the fastest hypersonics in the world. So your original booster, I know this is an ugly drawing because I suck at drawing, but you get the idea that you have a fused missile system, which means you have two missiles in one. This is your missile booster, which gets it up into the air as high as you can get. And then you have your flap right here. Normally you wouldn't see this, but I had to draw it on there so you can see what I mean. You would have your angled rocket turbines or rocket motors in here that would be angled at a wedge. So once it's going up like this flap opens, and this rocket, because once it gets so high up, you need to start it on its downward path, and that's where this angled rocket comes in. So once it heads up, kind of like this, once it heads up, this flap opens, this motor here cuts on and pushes it downward. And then after the booster is out of fuel on its downward path, it's out of fuel. See, this is your lever right here. This lever opens, exposing your primary hypersonic missile, because all of its fuel will be used going downward rather than having to fight gravity going upwards. You see? And after the booster is out of fuel, the lever opens, exposing the primary missile for maximum damage and speed output. That's how you build hypersonic.